I'm excited to share a simple home remedy that combines the power of honey and onion. Start with one large onion, thinly sliced, and place it in a clean glass jar. Pour a cup of raw honey over the onions, making sure they're completely covered. Seal the jar and let it sit at room temperature for 8 to 12 hours or overnight. Once it's infused, strain out the onions and store the syrup in the fridge. Just take a teaspoon when you need relief from coughs or sore throats. It's a comforting option, especially during cold season. But remember to consult your healthcare provider if symptoms persist.